to my favourite songs.
On AM, TV, digital radio, and online, this is Punjab Radio. News on the hour.
From the Sky News Centre at 5, prosecutors claim Harry Maguire asked police if they knew who he was and offered to give them money after he was arrested in Mykonos. A court in Greece has also heard the Manchester United captain was kicked in the leg by officers who told him his career was over. The star's been included in the England squad for UEFA Nations League games next month. Manager Gareth Southgate says his players told him a very different story to what's being reported.
Harry regrets the fact that he's brought that sort of focus and attention on the team, and he apologised for that. But he also has his own side of the story.